Marine Ideal Tools Torque Wrench Pump. The torque wrench pump is excellent in its immediately faster reaction. The output pressure is always stable and accurate with its serial number to meet the relevant regulations. It's also accurate in pressure release. It will automatically go back to the setting number. There are 4 output poles which can synchronize different jobs. The torque wrench pump can go with hydraulic hexagon wrench, hydraulic torque wrench, hydraulic knock splitter, and hydraulic flange spreader.